How to turn on or turn off history on REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off or turn on history on your REDnote app. So let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is launch your REDnote app. After you launch it, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right. Now what you'll need to do is simply tap on the settings icon that is right besides the edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon and now you're on settings. To turn off your history or turn on your history, head over to general settings. It's right below account settings. And now after you're on general settings, you will see the function section right here. And under function section, you will find history. Now, whenever you turn on history, what will happen is that they won't save your browsing history. So if you want your browsing history to not be saved, simply turn the history button on. Now if you want to turn it off, simply tap on it again and it will just get turned off. And it's that simple. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also do not forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.